Hi guys, it's Shipbase here, and this is this week's cruise news. The first bit of news I got for you guys this week is from Anthem of the Seas, and they have no more models on board. They don't know when they will be restocking. The person said maybe in Southampton, but it wasn't a very convincing answer. So if you guys are on Anthem of the Seas anytime soon, I would not think there'll be models. They have small $12 ones, like hanging ones, like Christmas ornament ones, but apart from that, they don't have the main one. And a big thing for me is collecting all the models on every ship I've been on. Luckily enough, I've already got Anthem of the Seas from the maiden season. So yeah, that is lucky enough that I've got it. But yeah, that's very disappointing. So I thought I'd let you guys know. The second bit of news I've got this week is that MSC Cruises did their sponsored F1 race with the MSC Cruises Belgian Grand Prix. And even the trophies looked like cruise ships, which was really cool to see. And luckily the Max Verstappen won, because it's competitive sport. It's not very competitive anymore because it was done by, well, them basically cheating, him and Chris Horner. But that's another conversation for another day. So the third bit of news I got this week is that another MSC Cruises one. MSC Cruises have cancelled some MSC Virtuosa 2024 sailings. 2 14-night cruises. One they don't have a replacement for yet, and the second one is changing to a 12-night Canaries cruise, which you can either go over and change or get a refund. The original 40 nights was going to Norway, Ireland, and Iceland, but now it's going to the Canary Islands. So very, very big shift in itinerary. So if you particularly book that cruise to go to those sort of places, so then go to the Canary Islands, I think 75 to 80% of the people will be asking for a refund, or maybe higher than that. They also announced MSC Virtuosa will be going from Southampton in 2025 from April to October, again for the summer season, because they are, in my opinion, are doing very well in the UK market by looking at the amount of people that are going on the cruises right now from Southampton. We're still waiting on some of the others. We already know, like Aravia's going for P&L, but we're still waiting on Royal Caribbean and Celebrity to announce 2025 and see if there's any more different ships, because I genuinely think Royal Caribbean generally needs to up their game in Southampton if they want to keep people, because MSC is offering, maybe not, we can, I've been on recently on MSC Virtuosa, and I'm on the Royal Caribbean right now. This is coming to the end of my holiday. This is day 10 or 11. And Royal Caribbean service is 100% wins, service is better. But then prices of cruises, that's when MSC wins by an absolute mile. So people who are looking at first time cruises will be looking at MSC more than Royal Caribbean due to prices. People who have cruised a lot like me, yes, Royal Caribbean are cutting back a lot on certain things, like one service a day, but then putting up gratuities. One room service a day, that means. Changing the dining menus, which are awful. I was going to get onto that, but I might as well now. That the main dining room, if you are a loyal to Royal fan or been doing it for many years, the old menus were good. They had a lot more selection, but they've currently changed these like themed nights. So tonight is like the Asian night. Yesterday was Italian, and you're struggling to find stuff on the menu. Well, my whole group, there's 7 of us, and we've all done Royal Caribbean pre-change and this change, and we think it's a very bad change. People, I don't know if you've done Royal Caribbean recently and you've done it before, what do you guys think of the menus? But this is like a mini little review, but really not a great. So Royal Caribbean, I think, really needs to up the game in Southampton to compete with MSC. Because again, they're bringing a newer, not as new, came out in 2021, newer ship, and yet we've had Anthem of the Seas for 5 years now, coming to 2024. So might need to be a shake up a little bit to make it more competitive market for people. The third bit of news this week is, when I'm on holiday, I don't revise it as much. I said all the stuff that was in my head. Let me get it up. Yes, Royal Caribbean, this is going to affect us, begins to notify people books at Bahama Cruises that they're going to a new tax rate. So if you're going to the Bahama Cruises after January 1st, 2024, you'll be notified about a new price of your cruise. So we have 4 cruises booked. It depends on where it goes. So we're going on Independence, we're going to Labadee and Nassau, I think, or is that on the law? We've got too many booked in Miami. But we're definitely going to Bahamas, because I think Perfect Day's in Bahamas, and I know it's Royal Caribbean's private island, but it still counts as going to the Bahamas, so I don't know if that makes the tax go up. I don't know. I will keep you guys updated. I'm going to speak to my person I booked it with and see when I will get notified about my changes in price, tax, or even if I am. Yeah, so it says here that if your departure date is on or after January 1st, 2024, new tax rates will take effect after the Bahamian government approves the new policy in June. So we're coming in July. So if you've got a cruise booked going to Bahamas, you are more likely going to be paying a little bit more. Looking at the article, it didn't say a lot more. It's $1 to $14 depending on like how long your cruise is, where it's going. So it might be all right. It's not like an extra £100, so it should be all okay. But it's a good thing to keep an eye out, because it will be done definitely before final payment date. And the last bit of news for you this week is that Carnival Jubilee, their brand new ship, has had the iconic funnel being put on in Germany. They are putting it on in Germany, and it looks really cool. That's the ship with the roller coaster. So it is, yeah, it looks really cool. I really want to get on one of the ships. It's on after I get off Icon, but I think after 4 cruises in Miami, it might be a bit much. Work might not like me very much. But currently we're in Lisbon on Anthem of the Seas. We've enjoyed. We currently, like I said, on day 9-10. We've enjoyed it very much. Like I said, the main dining room has been a bit with the menus. The servers have been nice. The server in Chops Grill was really good. The service all round Royal Caribbean, very good. Bars, everything. You don't really wait long. And we've had not really any problems. Our room was really nice in a good location. We did a guaranteed. We were very lucky. We got currently a great view of Lisbon. We went under Lisbon. Let me move the camera to show you guys Lisbon Bridge. Oh, almost dropped it. There's not Lisbon Bridge. I'm just showing you Lisbon. Here's the view from our balcony. Such an amazing port, Lisbon. We're here overnight. So yeah, that's gonna be cool. Let's put you guys back. So yeah, I've got some new cups to the collection as well. So yeah, it's been a very good cruise on Royal Caribbean. We haven't, well, my parents haven't done Royal Caribbean in a while, but I think, like I said, apart from the main dining room, I think it's been a very good cruise, and we've remembered why we like Royal Caribbean so much. But yeah, it's been a very good 2 weeks. Some good ports, very, very, very hot, extremely hot. But that's all the news I've got for you guys this week. Thank you so much for watching. We're back to the normal concept back in my studio desk area next week. We'll be doing all reviews. I'll be doing the room tours. I've been filming a ship tour, so I've got a few things to do. So annoying when you're trying to film ship tours and everything's closed that you need it to be. The Royal Theatre, it used to just be open all the time. You just walk in there, apart from when they were rehearsing. But now all the time, the doors, as soon as they finish with the Royal Theatre, bang, door closed. 10 seconds before it opens, doors open. It is literally, I'm struggling to get in there, but I will get in there at some point, probably today or tomorrow. I got a few little areas to film, maybe some signs and some stuff. But we will be doing our review of Anthem of the Seas. We still need to do the Virtuous one, don't we, Celeste?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell who's delaying that?
Hey.
So yeah, it's the reviews, ship tours, room tours. We've got 4 rooms I need to film, so stay tuned for all of that. When I get home, I'll be uploading them all. You'll be seeing it. I get back Friday, you'll probably see them popping out there. The ship tour will take a little longer, but the room tours will be out. So thank you so much for watching. It's been Shipface here. If you like what you see, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. It's very much appreciated, and it really does help me out. I'm also on Instagram, TikTok, and I was going to say Twitter, but now it's X. I think I'm saying that right. It's X. Isn't it?
I don't know. I don't use Twitter.
Oh, it's called. Well, it's not Twitter anymore. It's X. Too many changes. And Threads. I don't know. I don't even know if I have that anymore. I think I still do. But yeah, that lasted long. So thank you so much for watching. It's been Shipfaced here. Thank you for. Yeah. All right. Cool. I just edited that last bit out.